Één, English 1, stylized as Één, is a public Dutch-language TV station in Belgium, owned by the VRT, which also owns Ketnet, Canvas and several radio stations. Although the channel is commercial-free, short sponsorship messages are broadcast in between some programs. Één focuses on drama, entertainment, news and current affairs in a similar vein to BBC One in the United Kingdom. The station was formerly known as VRT TV1 until the current Één branding was launched as part of a major station revamp on 21 January 2005, with a look created by BBC Broadcast.Één is considered to be the equivalent of its Walloon counterpart, Walloon, the first channel of the Belgian Francophone, French-speaking, broadcaster, RTBF. On-screen presentation. Continuity. With its sister channel Ketnet, Één was one of 21 stations in Europe to utilize in-vision continuity presentation. 4 regular staff announcers, as of January 2014, were presenting in-vision and out-of-vision links from lunchtime until around midnight, or in the early hours, if necessary, each day. The last team of announcers was composed of Andrea Kroonenbergs, senior announcer, Gina Lisa Peters, Eva Daleman, Sarge van Dendriest. The in-vision presentation was ditched on 26 July 2015. Since that day, it is replaced by out-of-vision continuity. Seasonal identity. As of its 2007 rebrand as Één, the channel uses different icons, logos, blips and a different color scheme every season. This seasonality concept was abolished when Één got a new look, created by GDN Programs, in early 2009. Programming. Belgian. International. Teletext. VRT offered a teletext service as of 8 May 1980, which was stopped on 1 June 2016. The page 888 is still available for subtitles. The service was used by 576,094 persons per day in 2010. The number dropped down to 123,709 in 2014. References. External links. Official website, in Dutch.